In this tutorial, you will learn how to combine these Word documents into single document. These both Word file containing EndNote references, and I will combine both these files into one file which is named as final document. So firstly, look at chapter 1 and chapter 2 file. Here is chapter 1 file. You can see here it contains EndNote references at the end of document, and these are the in-text citation. So now we will open the second chapter. You can see here this is second chapter and these are in-text citations, and at the end of this file there are EndNote references. So I will combine both these chapter into single document which is named as final document, which is blank. So let's start this tutorial. Firstly, open the library from which you have inserted the references in Word document, and I have inserted these references from this library, so I have opened it, and from here you can select the style. Now go to Word document. Firstly, open chapter 1. I have opened chapter 1. Now go to EndNote option, and from this option instant formatting is on. Now select turn instant formatting off. Now go to this option, convert citation and bibliography, and click on arrow and convert to unformatted citation. Now you can see here these citations are unformatted. You can see here, or you can see any citation. These are all unformatted, and if you scroll down end of document, you can see here references are disappeared from this section. So copy this one, I have copied this one without references, and paste it into document where you want to combine these documents. And in this document, make sure you have turn off formatting off. Follow similar steps. You can see here that these are unformatted citations. Now go to chapter 2 and follow similar steps. Firstly, go to EndNote, turn instant formatting off, select this option, and from here convert citation and bibliography, select the option convert to unformatted citation. Now you can see here your citations are unformatted now, and at the end of document you can see here that references are disappeared. So copy this data similar as you copied chapter 1. And paste it into your final document where you want to combine these files. So here is the data of chapter 1, and I want to copy paste data of chapter 2 here. Now you can see here that your both data is combined in this file from chapter 1 and chapter 2, but the in-text citations are unformatted now, and the reference or bibliographies are disappeared at the end of document. These are not appeared here. So now go to again EndNote this option, and from here you found instant formatting is off. Click on this arrow and turn instant formatting on. Now you can see here that in-text citations are formatted according to style which you have selected here: Journal of Food Processing and Preservation, And if you go to end of document, your references will be appeared here. You can see here the reference from both files are combined here, and these are also arranged alphabetically, and duplicates are also removed. So thank you for watching this tutorial.